Unfortunately, I had an injury in Vegas for the last race, SMX, so I've yet to really get my off-season going. I know we're at the crunch time, but we're starting to ride here soon and getting into the swing of things. So a little bit different for me, but we're working into it, and I'm excited to be back on this team, excited to be back on this bike. I love it here, and I knew I should have never left. You know, obviously I won a championship here, and always good vibes. So happy to be back with this team, Star Racing, Yamaha, everybody kind of welcoming back in, and yeah, so far so good. Hayden's coming off of 2 SMX titles and outdoor titles, so he's going to be one of the favorites. Max Hanse's looking really good right now, Pierce Brown, and then, you know, Thrasher's always up for winning. So we got a really strong team this year, and I'm excited to watch them all. I'm always pulling for my teammates, but you also want to beat them. You want to be the best 450 guy on the team. So Eli, Cooper, and Jay Coop. So obviously Eli's one of the best guys on the gate. So a little bit here and there, nothing too crazy, just some minor check throughs on the gate, and helps me get focused. But I try to stay away from that and just focus on myself. Whenever you get called into the office at the race, you know you got to be prepared and ready for it. But luckily, I brought him home a championship and multiple wins. So far we're on the good side with Bobby, but he gets the best out of you for sure. It's the best sport in the world. There's no other excitement that comes other than racing. Being on the line, the jitters, the nervousness, the excitement, the crowd roaring. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's why I'm still here, trying to go and trying to win. So nothing like racing Supercross.